Summary, the Scrum Master role is a very interesting role to be in, okay? Because what really matters for me though is not that the work is not going to get done. The work will get done, but how it gets done matters. People can really get this work done to the due date and do not even want to do anything with it. But then there are people who find sense of joy and pride in their accomplishment and doing it together with each other, right? So that's the place I really would like to support my team to be. So it's really important for us to celebrate them and also empower them so they can find their voice in addressing difficult situations. And when it gets tense, we need to help them in just listening out, hearing it out, and asking, how do we move forward? Because there's a way. There's always a way. And the team has the answer. So we'll figure it out, just not now.